So good day guys. I am going to show how to create and configure a calendar for appointment booking in Zapify.io. So first, go to the calendar. So once you are inside the calendar, so on the top, select calendar settings. And then, okay, so here you can now create your new calendar. So you can select now. Uh, we can choose now what calendar type. So there is round robin, single, or class event. So, oh no, so there is a personal booking, class booking, round robin, and collective booking. So, let's select the round robin. So, let's fill this calendar name with onboarding calendar. So, you can select members like okay. So, once we are done selecting our members, so there is a booking link. So you can now copy the booking link. So we can share it with clients or embed it in our website. So, so once you are done, just click confirm. Okay, so now we can copy the booking link now. So and the embedded code, so we can use it on. So we can share it with clients or embed it on our website. So that's it.